Alright, so this is a knife that I'm needing to fix. Let me just start out by telling you this is not an expensive knife. This is not even really a good knife. Soft metal, you can see. It's, so yeah, what we're going to do is just kind of reshape it a little bit for the person, and at least it'll look good. So there's that. Here we go. And so what I'm going to do is just start out by resetting the profile, and instead of just grinding straight down into it like that, I'm just going to slowly start to feather everything in using an aggressive belt. Then I'll go to a higher grit belt and kind of give it an edge again. God, this metal is so soft. Yeah, that is some incredibly soft metal. That didn't take hardly anything to get it to that point. So now I'm just going to switch out the belt and put an edge on it. Not that it'll actually ever hold an edge, but it'll look cool. Yeah, that metal moves way too much. And you could see it, like right as I was putting it on the belt, it was just chunking away metal. If that were like 1095 or some kind of good metal, that would have taken me a lot longer. Alright. So there it is now. And it's sharp probably. Bad metal like this does not make for a good edge, and it's actually a lot harder to sharpen than good metal. Even though it moves really easy and you can chunk it away real fast. Yeah, that's I don't enjoy sharpening knives like this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave it a like and all of that stuff. Have a good day. Bye.